Hey folks, I'm Frank Smith III, and I'm down here in Frank's Place 2.0, and right now I'm going to show you how to make a very basic beat with Logic Pro X. I do not know how to do all the extra stuff because, believe me, I'm still learning this stuff. But this is a great program to have if you're trying to get into making music. It comes with so many sounds and beats. And look, what we're about to do is I'm just going to go into the loops. Just the loops alone, you can find a few songs, at least a few songs, okay? So the first thing you do, you open it up and you go to, you're going to see this screen here, software instruments. So you hit software instrument. So I'm going to create a software instrument. I'm going to hit create. And over here, up here at the top, where this loop is, you tap that. I'm not going to use the keyboard. You tap that, you have 30,366 items. There's a song somewhere in this mix, in this mess right here. Look at all these different sounds you got. Let's just hear some random ones. Here's random splice beat. It's that techno house sound. All right, let's go with reflective bass. All right, now let's take it all the way back up to, they are in alphabetical order. Let's go to orchestra oboe solo. Old world harsh scope. Off the chain synth chord. Come on, Slowpoke. Are you playing? There we go. Okay, forget all that. So what I'm going to do is create a beat. We're going to create a song right now. Instead of me looking for stuff, I already know which ones I'm going to use. Like I said, I got 30,366 items. The first one we're going to get is a float beat. So I'll go up here to search, type in a float beat, listen to it. Okay, we're going to use that one. So you grab it, put it in the timeline up here. Okay, so let's play it. Let's turn it up some. All right, so we got the float beat. That's the first one we use. The next one we're going to use is Alliance mid strings. These are the ones I've already found. Alliance, I can spell it. Alliance mid strings number 2. This one right here. All right, so it's a matter of where I put it. Okay, so I'm gonna grab that and put it right at the 5 there. Okay, something else you got to remember too when you're doing this. You see up here where it's gray, this gray area 1 through 5. You tap that, it turns yellow. This is how you make the whole thing, that whatever you're creating loop. So I'm gonna drag that to number 9. Now, if you hit play, it's gonna start it from the beginning. Here come the strings. Okay, you like that? All right, now, that's basically the intro. All right, so this last one I'm going to put in, analog drum machine number 5. Yes, there's so many different sounds here. So analog, I can't spell. Okay, let's go drum machine. Okay, yeah, I did spell it wrong. All right, number 5. All right, so we're going to throw that in there. So let's grab number 5. And we're going to put that right at 9 because we can stretch that out. I'm going to stretch it out to 17. You take this yellow and you take that out to 17 as well. Now you take the first one, a float beat, and you drag that out to 17. Now, if you go up here where this arrow is, right now we got it on beats and project. Let's go with beats and time. Let's see how far that will go. So right now we are creating I'm creating a 39-second beat. All right, so I got it all in there. Everything's lit up. Let's see what it sounds like. Strings. Here comes the drum machine. Not bad. heavier bass in there. Okay, so you know what? Let's add one more thing. Let's put some bass in there. So type in bass. I got 3,922 items for bass. We got Arcade Dream Sub Bass 2. Nope, 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 nope. We don't want that. Let's go with 80s Dance Bass. There we go. Nope. How about Alpha Male Bass? Alpha Matrix, Alpha Omega, Alphabet City, Altered State Bass Sub Bass. No. No. Let's try that. So we're going to use Bass Tone Topper. Let's bring that in here. Drag it out. All right, this will be it. Let's see what we got. I have no idea what this is going to sound like, but this is the fun part of working with Logic Pro X. You get to experiment, okay? The one we're waiting on is Bass Tone Topper. Let's see what that sounds like with the analog drum and the flow beat. Here we go. Let's see if we can add something else. Nope, that's enough. Anyway, look, the point is, over here in the loops, you got I got 30,366 items. You can find a song in here if you play around with it. I love playing around with it because you never know what you're going to find in this collection. Okay, there's so many options. And this is just the loops. There's so much more over here that I don't even know how to do yet. I'm still learning. I'm watching everybody else's YouTube videos on how to create things and all that. But for now, if you want some basic stuff, all you got to do is go over here to loops, software instrument, go over to loops, put some, listen to the samples, put it in the timeline, make sure you light up the yellow to make it a loop, to make it a literal loop. And you can take this timeline out to, let's say, for instance, I wanted to take that all the way to let's see, how long of a song can you actually do? Let's go to 70. Let's go to 80, 81. Okay, let's go to 81. So I took it all the way to 81. It comes out to 3 minutes and 15 seconds long. Okay, so yeah, you can make a full song easily. I'm at 81. Let's take it all the way to 127. 5 minutes. All right, so you can make a total of 5 minute, 13-second song. You shouldn't make a song that long. All right. Generally speaking, most songs are in the 3 minute range, 3 minutes to 3:30 range right here. Okay. So I hope this helps you guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate this. Is my first tutorial using the video here and the screen record. I just wanted y'all to see me doing what I'm doing. This is fun for me. I'm learning. If you got any tips you want to give me, please do. I'm using Logic Pro X. And I'm still learning how to master this program so I can make my own music. You guys have a good day. Thanks for watching.